Hey, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the Woodshed 3. I'm Andy. Thanks for tuning in. And we are in the garage working on the Model A. On Monday the 25th, I set myself a challenge, a 25-day challenge, to get the car ready, up and running, to go to the Pinetree Jamboree. I'm going to do my best to get out here and burn the midnight oil to get this car going. Excuse me. And I'm going to do my best to get this car going and get it up to the Jamboree and take it down the track. Again, a 25-day challenge. I'm not going to be filming everything. I'm going to be filming like updates and stuff like that. So I'll be posting those on YouTube, and I will also be posting updated stuff on Instagram. So stay tuned, see if I can get this done. Yeah, as you know, I have a running flathead Mercury motor, so that helps. Tranny, I have everything that I need to mount to do everything. Last couple of days I did the body mounts to the frame, so everything is mounted to the frame as far as the body's concerned. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned, see if I can do this. Peace. Keep on tinkering. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Woodshed 3. I'm Andy, and you are in the midst of the 25-day challenge to get the Model A Sport Coupe ready for the Pinetree Jamboree. We got 25-day challenge. We're on day number 7, and the motor is installed. We have to work on the transmission mount and the radiator mount. That's going to happen this week. We're probably going to do that, start that tomorrow. So yeah, 25-day challenge update. Motor is in the car, mounted, and we're going to keep going. Stay tuned. Keep on tinkering. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the Woodshed 3, and I'm Andy, and you are tuned in to the 25-day challenge. We are on day 14. I'll be posting this pretty soon. I'll have like 3 updates on a post, and then I'll do another one. But I'm going to walk you through what we've gotten done so far. See if we're going to make it. Again, day 14 of the 25-day challenge to get to the Pinetree Jamboree up in Maine. Okay, so the Model A, again, we had the motor in. The transmission wasn't mounted. The radiator is in and mounted. I had to fabricate the mounts and mount it forward of the front cross member and lower. So the hose is going to be going through the spring. Okay. And then, so the motor's in. I had to fabricate. And let me get this, hold on. So I had to fabricate a transmission cross member. The one I bought didn't work, just put it that way. So I fabricated the transmission cross member, thanks to Rob letting me use his steel bandsaw. Made it a lot easier. So the transmission is fully mounted. The steering column is just mocked up. The seat's just sitting there just to get an idea of where the steering wheel is going to be. I got the wheels. That one's almost finished painting. I got to do another coat, and then that one's basically done. And steering column. Steering column is going to be mounted a little forward of where the stock one was. The stock one came out of this hole in the frame. We dropped it down to make it a little easier. We're going to fabricate a plate that's going to be welded to the frame and welded to that mount. So stay tuned. Again, 25-day challenge to make it to the Pinetree Jamboree. Working every day after work, and this is the end of the second weekend. Yeah, so stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. I really appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and keep on tinkering. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Woodshed 3, and we are giving you another update. I know I'm going to put this all in one video, so just bear with me. We are on day 20 of 25-day challenge to the Pinetree Jamboree for the Model A. So, day 20. Day 20. We have fabricated our mount. Well, we did that yesterday, and then we fabricated everything else today to shorten the steering. And guess what? We have a steering Model A. That is so sweet. So, steering is complete. I also have the steering column mounted right there. I tore up the old tunnel. As you can see, I tore up the old tunnel, and we're going to tackle the driveline tomorrow. The driveline is all shortened. I just have to weld the torque tube together. Here's the shortened pieces. Got to weld the torque tube together. And weld the torque tube together, and we hopefully will have the drive line done tomorrow. Alright, so I'm going to edit a video tonight. This is day 20 of the 25-day challenge to the Pinetree Jamboree. I'm going to edit a video tonight and try to post it, and we'll see how that goes. So I'll keep going. I have the rest of the week off of work, so I can keep working on the car until we leave on Friday. Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the 25-day challenge. We're on day 23. Sorry, I just got out of the shower. I needed a shower real quick. I've been going since 7 o'clock this morning. But walk you through a little bit what I've gotten done today. Again, we're on day 23 of the 25-day challenge to make it to the Pinetree Jamboree in Winterport, Maine, at the Winterport drag strip. So today she got new sneakers in the front. Rims are all painted up and pretty. We got the juice brakes installed. The juice brakes are from a kit from F100 on both sides in the front. Those are all squared away. We got a little bit of wiring done. We installed the voltage regulator and the starter solenoid, and we're going to continue a little bit of wiring. Fuel lines hooked up, got a filter there. We did the metal posts here instead of the wood. Like I said before, I was going to do metal instead of wood, just so it's that much stronger. So that's coming along, and it's really nice because this door shuts like a dream. It's amazing. So both A pillar and B pillar on both sides are the same distance apart, so everything's lined up. Gas on. Don't forget. I'm not going to turn the gas off.
Mm-hmm. How are you gonna stop? I can't see that side. You gotta go that way a little bit. What?
Perfect. These keys in the truck.
Did you shut the choke? Oh, the gas off.
Shut it off. I shut it off. Hey, welcome back to the Woodshed 3, everybody. I appreciate everybody tuning in. And I'm Andy, and we are on day 26 of my 25-day challenge for the Model A going to the Pinetree Jamboree. Well, it's Friday. Pinetree Jamboree started today, and it is almost 5 o'clock, and we're leaving because we just loaded the car up on the trailer. So it's a little rough, but it runs and drives, does not stop. Once we get up there tomorrow morning, Lisa and I will bleed the brakes and take it from there. Thank you, Terry Ekstrom, for letting me borrow the pickup truck. It's a little overweighted, but we'll get by. So we will be heading out pretty soon to Winterport, Maine. It's about a 5-hour drive. We'll get up there in the dark, but that's all right. And Lisa will be towing the camper. All right, guys. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the 25-day challenge to make it to the Pinetree Jamboree. It's day 26, Friday at almost 5 o'clock. And car is in tow. And it drove itself up on the car dolly. And I will post that later, but right now I just wanted to post a quick one to let everybody up there at Pinetree Jamboree know that we'll be coming in late, but we'll be there. It was a challenge, to say the least, to get this car up and going. But it's up and going. I still got to bleed the brakes in the morning. So if you're already up there at Pinetree, I'm coming. We'll see you later. Thanks, everybody. You can't go through New Hampshire.
Proceed to the route.
You can't go through New Hampshire without stopping at the state liquor store to get some rum and some other supplies for the weekend, because we need it and it's cheaper up here. So I'm gonna go in and get some liquor. See ya.